I was just doing a Wix website redesign and there was a booking system. Let me show it to you. You can see this was my client old website and I have redesigned that with this design, and there was a booking system. If I will go to here and book online, then I can see here some of the booking have there. So this website was on German language, and when I have done it, I have done it with German language, but I don't know the German language. But when I have redesigned the website, that time I was not facing any issue because design is not a big issue. I can do a professional design of a website, but the issue that I was faced, it was the booking setting, because my client availability and the location and everything was there. So I was just having issue because of it was the German language and I don't know the German language. So what I have done on the new website, on the old website access I got, and on the old website access I make the full website language English. I mean the dashboard language, I made it English, and then I have just copy all of the things. Let me show you. From settings, from this website, settings, under the settings I go here, booking setting, and then I got here the default hours, add-ons, stuff, and location as well have there. So I have just moved all of the setting to the new website setting. Under the booking setting I match everything. Okay, so I match everything from the old website, the booking settings, to the new website booking settings, and I have re-upload the bookings on my new website, and the automation and everything I check step by step, because Wix generally doesn't have an option to export the booking settings and import it on a new website. I think if this feature will be available there, like as if I have a 50 booking option, so it's very hard for me when I will move my website from, like as it's on the Wix editor and I want to move it on the Wix studio editor. So I think on the booking system we'll have an option to export the settings, availability, and everything, and then import it on the new website. So it will make more easier to move the settings and everything, but somehow Wix doesn't have that option. So if you have a booking website and the settings you want to keep same, so you may knock me, I can assist you to move your booking system from one website to another Wix website. Even if you want to move the booking website as well, like as if you want to use any external booking platform like as the Calendly or Acuity scheduling, I can assist you with that as well. In fact, if you have any issue with your Wix website, you may knock me, I can assist you to solve your any kind of Wix issue. Thank you so much.